Hello friends, welcome to Learning Point Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you shortcuts to multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers using Vedic math. So let's begin. As you can see, I've written down a general example for the digit multiplication. Here, in the first step, we'll multiply the rightmost two digits, that is b and y. So we'll get a resultant of b, y. And then we'll cross multiply ay and bx and add them. So ay plus bx. And in our last step, we'll have the leftmost two digits multiplied, that is a into x. So if I draw it out, it will be something like this. With this as our first step, and this as the second, and this as the third. So let's begin with our examples. Here is our first example, 42 into 12. So as our first step, we have to multiply 2 into 2, that's a 4, and then 4 into 2, that's 8, plus 2, that's 10, and keep 1 as carry. And last step, 4 into 1 plus carry 5. So this is our answer, 4504. Let's move to our second example, 67 into 43. As our first step, we have 7 into 3, 21, 2 carry and 1 here. 6 into 3 plus 28 as our second step, that's 46. 46 plus 2, that's 48. So we carry 4 and 8 is here. As our last step, it's 6 into 4, 24 plus 4, that's 28. So this is our final answer. 67 into 43 is 2881. Moving on to our third example, here is 89 into 24. As our first step, we have 9 into 4 as 36, 3 as carry. Second step, 8 into 4, 32, plus 9 into 2, 18, that's 50. 50 plus 3, that's 53. 8 into 2 is 16, plus 5 is 21. So this is our final answer, 2136. So when calculating yourself and after practicing multiple times, you can avoid the steps such as this carry that I'm writing down. You can do those in your mind and try to shorten this as much as possible and solve these two-digit numbers in your mind itself. Moving on to our three-digit multiplication. Let's start with our generic example for three-digit multiplication. That's ABC into XYZ, as you can see. So here our first step will be C into Z. Then second step will be BZ plus CY. That's cross multiplication. Okay. And third step will be AZ plus CX plus BY. It's AZ plus CX plus BY. Next will be A into Y plus B into X. And then finally will be A into X, that is multiplication of the last leftmost two digits. So this is our generic example. And if I draw the pattern, it will be first this, second just the rightmost two pairs, third will be all the three, fourth again leftmost two pairs, fifth will be the leftmost single pair. So let's start with our first example, that is 421 into 121. So as our first step, it will be 1 into 1, that's 1. Second step will be 2 into 1, that's 2, plus 2 into 1, again 2, so 4. Next step will be 4 into 1, 4, plus 1 into 1, 5, plus 2 into 2, 4, 5 plus 4, 9. Next step will be 4 into 2, 8, plus 2 into 1, 2, that's a 10, carry 1. And last step will be 4 into 1, 4, plus 1, 5. So this is our final answer, 50941. Moving on to our next example, that is 673 into 143. So our first step here will be 3 into 3, that's a 9. Next step is 7 into 3, 21, plus 4 into 3, 12. Now 21 plus 12 is 33. We write 3 here and carry 3. Okay. And our next step will be 6 into 3, 18, plus 3 into 3, 3 into 1, 3, 18 plus 3, 21, plus 7 into 4, 28. That we know as 49. So next will be 49 plus the carry 3. It will be 52. Okay. So we'll write 5. We'll carry 5 and we'll write 2. Okay. Next step will be 6 into 4, 24, plus 7 into 1, 7. That we know as 31. And we will take the carry 5, that's 36. Okay, so we will write 3 as the carry here and we'll write 6 here. Okay, next step will be 6 into 1, 6, plus 3, that's 9. So this is our final answer, 96239. And here is our last example, that is 789 into 245. Okay, so our first step will be 9 into 5. We know it is a 45. 4 will be carry. Next will be 8 into 5. That's a 40, plus 9 into 4, 36. 40 plus 36, that we know is a 76, plus 4 carry, we know it is a 80. So 8 will be carry and we'll write 0 here. Next will be 7 into 5, 35, plus 9 into 2, 18, plus 8 into 4, 32. Okay, here it will be 85. Okay, and 85 plus 8 carry will be 93. And we'll take 9 here as a carry and we'll write here 3. Okay, our next step will be 7 into 4, 28, plus 8 into 2, 16, plus the carry 9. We have it 53. Okay. So we'll take 5 as the carry and write 3 here. And our final step will be 7 into 2, 14 plus 5, that is 19. So this is our final answer, 193305. That's all for this video. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please like it, share and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to more such videos.